What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another video here at the shop where we're going to be doing a muffler delete on my boy's 6th Gen SS. It's not like an actual muffler delete. It's a system where we just cut off the muffler and put the clamps on. It's essentially a muffler delete. Anyways, it's gonna sound good, so let's get into it. Sound good, dude. The muffler restricts a lot.
It does.
Have you seen how big it is?
Yeah. See those slicks?
Just rips a burnout.
On the left.
Do it before and
What's
after.
up?
Alright, here we go.
Hey, yo, give some revs.
Give us some ribs.
It's quiet my ass.
Just like that. This, I'm thinking.
No, the other way around, because this has to be up there. Yeah.
Like this?
Yes, sir. That does not make sense right now.
What the?
Default lock of flu. What is going on?
You got instructions?
Wait, what? Is this piece separate?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Take that off real quick.
It probably go. What the hell?
Or we might got it on backwards. It got
The piece that piece should be on the other end. The fact that it landed straight up was so crazy.
Yeah.
Good. We're good.
This is the same one. Yeah, here, somebody take this. Take it. You got it? Yeah.
Are you sure it's for the right car, Jalen?
Huh?
Are you sure it's for the right car? Here's a gigantic stock suitcase muffler that comes stock on these 6th Gen SS's and ZL1s and all models actually. Stupid restrictive, even though it sounds already really good. We're about to yank this off and put on the new one.
What company is this?
Borla. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, so the hangers are right there.
There you go. That's it.
Like that.
That's it. Just like that.
Just like
Yep.
that. Yeah, because then the pipe bends like that.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Is it off? Oh, let's see.
I hate these cars so much. I do.
You what?
I hate these cars. I always cut myself whenever I get back here. I thought he was motherfucking drilling. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No, I'm gotta take these off. I'm gonna go.
No, you don't need to.
You don't need to.
You don't need to. No. All we have to do is we have to cut it and we can push it back. Bro, yeah.
Yeah, we'll push it back.
We don't. Yeah, I've done this. Okay.
What are y'all gonna do? Get it off? Just leave it?
No, he got exhaust leaks.
Yeah.
You can cut now. Alright. I ain't never cut on a Camaro before, but here we go.
That's a good thing to hear.
Let's see, I'm gonna cut a little bit.
Zeb could take that. Alright, see if it'll wiggle back.
There's one.
The other one, where's the other one? The other one, this one's out. Is the other side out? Yup.
It's hung.
By what?
Just pull it out. There you go.
Hell yeah.
All right, now start her up.
Hey, start her up! It's a band. I'm gonna get shut down.
We'll get it blowing hot. These hangers don't want to bend, okay?
I don't think they're meant to bend, no.
Okay, but they don't, you can't line them up with the hanger, okay? So, bolt it all up. If the hanger, if it's like not going anywhere, just whack the hanger off and fuck it.
I mean, it probably won't move with
okay, because you got a hanger here, you're gonna have a clamp here, and a clamp here, and you got two hangers back here.
Yeah, I mean, if it's clamped, it probably won't, but...
There's that red thing over there. I need it.
That scared the shit out of me.
Let me see. No, the big one. No, it's the big one. Yeah.
No.
That did not clamp it.
Do what now?
That did not clamp it.
What are you talking about? No way.
I can wheel.
Seen the Corvette recently?
But it's still.
Yeah, but what the f?
What? You say you dated
Until she had a man that could build her a house. That's what done it.
wood and plastic, baby.
Right side already on?
Yeah.
Right side. Ooh, those wheels don't look too bad, bro.
I need something to hit it with a hammer with.
There's plenty of hammers, I can tell you
What
that.
things that I've had to measure?
What do you mean? I didn't see what he had. He's coming.
Yo,
What that little piece that you had
which little piece?
that you was ripping it out like that?
Oh, sorry.
I grinded
Yeah, that.
the wheels.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my gosh. I'm not cutting that cat off.
No.
I'm not cutting that cat off.
Please don't.
Why?
You know how he is.
Hey, this is my car name.
Bro, the tips sit out perfect too. Be careful because you gonna burn yourself.
Lord have mercy, brother.
Damn, that loud as
Bro, we got that exhaust perfect. I mean, it is not.
It's perfect,
It's perfect. Like I measured, and it measures right there, both sides.
How you think, bro?
Let me hear that. What?
You want me to rev it back here for you?
Yeah.
All right. Here you go.
No, no, he's throwing his camera out. You gotta.
Wait up, bro.
Bang.
Hey, I'm with that. I'm with that. I ain't taking up the road.
That sounded good,
All right,
bro.
pull up.
I'm with that.
Yeah, let's get everything out of the way.
Straighten up, yeah.
Sorry about y'all's eardrum.
He's about to give it hell, ain't he? Bro, this Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. As you can hear, it sounds amazing. It's just a muffler delete, but with the actual steel pipe, it sounds a lot better than just like, you know, that stuff they take to the muffler shop. They just cut them off and sound, you know, whatever. It sounds amazing. he definitely likes it, and we all like it. So we'll see what else you might want to do to it in the future, because he's already talking about doing some more stuff. So stay tuned for that, and see you next one.